heard a lot of people saying that it is very bad to use candle in phone repair shop. Their reason might be that using candle in phone repair shop can damage your panel and it will make your work not to look neat. But for me, I disagree with such opinion because candle is important in phone repair shop. It can be used to heat your phone when there is no light. It can be used to remove charging point, terminal, SIM seater, and other things that you usually use your hot air blower to remove. You can do that. And again, I disagree with such people because if you don't know how to use candle, that's when it will damage your phone. Using of candle in phone repair shop is important too. They have precaution in doing that. So if you follow the step wisely, you will be able to repair your phone with this candle properly. As you can see there, I use that one to remove terminal. The flame doesn't touch the panel of that phone, so it requires skills and technique to do that. So hello guys, welcome to Vitex Communication channel. In this channel, we teach and talk about GSM maintenance and repair. So now we are going to answer an important question that said, is it bad to use candle in GSM maintenance and repair shop? Well, some people might say it is bad, while some might say it is good. But now, let's talk about the advantage of using candle in your phone shop. The number one advantage is that it is very cheap to purchase. Good, because as an engineer or as a beginner in phone repair shop, if you don't have money to buy costly equipment like the hot air blower, the rework station, or others, you can go for candle first. Candle at least is 50 naira. Matches or lighter is 50 or 20 naira. So you can start from there. The number one importance is that it is very cheap to buy. The second importance is that it doesn't require NEPA light or generator to carry out any operation using candle or using candle. It doesn't require any light. So without your NEPA light, you can make use of this candle. Another importance is that another advantage that you can use it to do a very clean and neat work, especially when you know how to use them properly. But if you don't know how to use them properly, you can spoil your phone panel. So you can use them to do a very clean and neat work. So that is some of the advantage. We have little disadvantage. Some of the disadvantage. The disadvantage there is that sometimes you can't use it to remove tiny items. Sometimes when you try to do it, you might damage that phone or even damage the IC. There will be flame on the panel of that phone. And again, if you don't know how to use it properly, you can damage your phone panel. You can even damage the phone entirely. So proper use of this candle will help to move your phone repair business. So that is the little I have to talk about candle in mobile phone repair. But I need to hear from you. What's your opinion on this? For me, it's not bad. It's not that bad. It's very cheap to start with. It's not that bad. But let me hear your own opinion. If it is bad, if it is good, just drop down in the comment section. No abusive comments. So thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye.